In this video, I'm going to show you 50 verbs in English in action in the present continuous. I'm sitting down. I'm standing up. I'm kneeling. I'm crawling. I'm jumping. I'm stretching. I'm leaning over. I'm leaning back. I'm lifting the chair and I'm putting it down. I'm throwing and catching the pack of tissues. Now I'm dropping them. I'm falling. I'm dusting. I'm sweeping the floor. I'm wiping the table. I'm pushing the chair. And I'm pulling the chair. I'm pressing the buttons. I'm coughing. I'm sniffing. I'm blowing my nose. Achoo! I'm sneezing. Achoo! I'm burping. Oops. I'm licking. I'm sucking. I'm chewing. I'm swallowing. I'm scratching. I'm rubbing. I'm sighing. I'm groaning. I'm crying. I'm screaming. Oi, you, don't say that. Oi, I'm shouting. I'm whispering. Hello, yeah, you need to continue. I'm stuttering. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm shaving. I'm tightening my belt. And I'm loosening my belt. I'm buttoning up my shirt. And now I'm unbuttoning my shirt. I'm zipping up my jacket. And I'm unzipping my jacket. I'm putting on my hat. Now I'm taking off my hat. And finally, I'm waving goodbye. I'm winking. Well, that's it. There you have 50 verbs, 50 actions, all being shown to you. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to English with Lewis, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.